Language Foundations Vocabulary Flashcards, helping you achieve understanding.
Fastening two pieces of metal together by softening with heat and applying pressure. The act of attaching or affixing something. The act of fastening things together. A feeling of affection for a person or an institution. A connection that fastens things together. Faithful support for a cause or political party or religion. Attachment to a formal agenda. A supplementary part or accessory. A writ authorizing the seizure of property that may be needed for the payment of a judgment in a judicial proceeding. Restraint that attaches to something or holds something in place. The act of fastening things together. Creating a butt joint by welding. Creating a butt joint by welding. Creating an overlapping joint by welding at small points. Creating an overlapping joint by welding at small points.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to become a part of our growing YouTube community and to learn English effectively.